Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board Vasai East.
Today we have going to learn standard 7th lesson number 2 द्वितीयः पाठः एषः एते एषा एताः एतत् एतानि. These are pronouns. In Sanskrit language, pronouns divided into three parts. प्रथम पुरुषवाचक, मध्यम पुरुषवाचक and उत्तम पुरुषवाचक. Pronoun अस्मत् is उत्तम पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. Pronoun युष्मत् is मध्यम पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम and pronouns एतत् and तत्, these are प्रथम पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. Students, in previous video means in lesson number 1 we have learned about the form of the asmat and yushmat. That means we have learned about aham, vayam, tvam, yuyam. Correct? So, in these lessons we have going to learn about the form of the pronoun etat. Etat means these. And we have to learn the singular and plural form of the etat. So, children, remember that the singular form of the etat are eshah, esha and etat, as well as the plural form of the etat are ete, etaha, etani. When we use the singular form of the pronoun, then also we attach with them the singular form of the noun. And for verb, we use ti suffix adding with the basic root. Same thing when we use the plural form of the pronoun and noun, then we added anti suffix with basic root. For example, we take here basic root gamagacha, which is in singular form we write gachati. So here ti suffix is added. And in plural form we write gachanti. So here anti suffix added with the basic root. Correct? I show you here more examples of the verbs like ti added with the singular form and anti added with the plural form. Chalati, chalanti, dhavati, dhavanti, pashyati, pashyanti, khelati, khelanti, etc. Okay. So, in this way, we have to learn many sentences with the form of the pronoun etat. Now, we start our lesson with the masculine form of the etat, eshah and ete. Eshah gajah asti. He is an elephant. Eshah chalati. He is walking. Ete ashvaha santi. They are horses. Ete dhavanti. They are running. Eshah ayushah asti. He is Ayush. Eshah pashyati. He is seeing. Ete balakaha santi. They are children. Ete khelanti. They are playing. Now, we see the feminine form of the etat, esha, etaha. Esha latika asti. She is Latika. Esha patati. She is reading. Etaha kanyaha santi. They are girls. Etaha likhanti. They are writing. Esha sarika asti. She is Sarika. Esha kujati. She is chirping. Etaha chatakaha santi. They are sparrows. एताः अपि कूजन्ति. They are also chirping. Children, now we see the neuter gender of the form of etat. एतत्, एतानि. एतत् कारयानम् अस्ति. This is car. एतत् चलति. This is walking. Or we say this is running. एतानि चक्राणि सन्ति. These are wheels. एतानि अपि चलन्ति. These are also walking or roaming or running. Okay, clear? So we use here walking, running, roaming for the meaning of the basic root chala. Next, etat amram asti. This is mango. Etat madhuram asti. Madhuram means sweet. This is sweet. Etani amrani santi. These are mangoes. Etani api madhurani santi. These are also sweets. Students, here we have completed our lesson. Now we have going to learn how to convert sentences from singular form into the plural forms and vice versa, means from plural into singular form. So first, examples in masculine form. Eshah naraha hasati. It's convert into ete naraha hasanti. The second example, Eshah ghatah asti, and change into ete ghataha santi. So children, here we convert Eshah into ete, naraha naraha, ghatah ghataha, and in verb hasati hasanti, asti into santi. Clear? Next, in feminine, the first example, esha chhatra pathati. It's changed into etaha chhatraha pathanti. Second example, esha aja charati. Change into etaha ajaha charanti. So here we see esha change in etaha, chhatra into chhatraha, aja into ajaha. Okay, and in verb pathati pathanti, charati charanti. Got it? The third sentence in neuter gender, etat patram asti, and it's changed into etani patrani santi. Second example of the neuter gender, etat pushpam vikasati, and it's changed into etani pushpani vikansanti. So children, here also we learn etat change into etani, patram patrani, pushpam pushpani, and in verb asti change into santi, vikasati vikasanti. Clear? Okay, then next, from Patabodha, in first point they added here the form of the interrogative pronoun kim, means kah, ke, ka, kaha, kim, kani. This pronoun used for make the questions. So here we see the many questions adding with the interrogative pronoun kim. And for answer, we have to write the proper form of the word instead of this kim, means interrogative pronoun. So here they show one picture and write the answer of these questions. Eshah kah, eshah vrukshah, ete ke, ete yuvakaha. Yuvak means youngest people. Esha ka asti, esha nauka asti, etaha kaha santi, एताः बालिकाः सन्ति. बालिका means girls. Next. एतत् किम् अस्ति? एतत् फलम् अस्ति. एतानि कानि सन्ति? एतानि पुष्पाणि सन्ति. In this way, we have to complete the answer of the questions. Next, second point. Uttaram likhata. Write the answers. See the pictures and write their answer. एषः कः अस्ति? And answer is एषः गजः अस्ति. Next, एताः काः सन्ति? एताः मालाः सन्ति. Yes, children. Here they show mala means garland, and we have to write here the plural form of the mala, malaha. Correct? The next question. Etat kim asti? This is a singular form of the flower. Okay? So etat pushpam asti. The next question. Ete ke santi? These are the parrots. For parrot we use shuka. Ete shukaha santi. Okay? Got this point? The next questions from Vyakaran Bodhah. The first one. Sarvanam padani likhata. Write the appropriate pronouns. They show here the form of the etat. So we write the proper form of the etat with proper form of the nouns. Eshah, ete, esha, etaha, etat, etani. First, ete ashvaha. Now listen. We find out first the form of the noun. Like here, ashvaha in masculine plural form. So we write masculine plural form of the etat, that means ete. Okay? The next one, sarika. Sarika is the singular form of the feminine words. So we write here esha. Third, gajah, masculine singular word. So write here eshah. Eshah gajah. Fourth, ambram. Ambram is the singular form of the neuter gender. So write here etat. Etat ambram. Fifth, kanyaha. Kanyaha is plural form of the feminine word. So we write here etaha. Etaha kanyaha. And the sixth one, falani. Falani, neuter gender, plural form. So we write here etani. Etani falani. Okay children, clear this point? The next question, bahuvachane likhata. Change into plural form. Esha bala asti. Answer is etaha balaha santi. Etat kamalam asti. So we write here etani kamalani santi. Third one, eshah narah asti. So write here eshah change into ete. Ete naraha and asti change into santi. Okay, correct. So we write here ete naraha santi. Okay, and the next question is melanam kuruta. Match the following. I show here with their answer. Okay, here we have completed our lesson with exercise. Here I attach the glossary of this lesson. Now you should write glossary, main points and all the question answers which are included in exercise in your notebook and revise this topic very well. Thank you children.